Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Chowdhury here at CPHI Worldwide Milano. It's day 2 and I'm delighted to be at the Nanoform booth with Christian Jones, who's the Chief Commercial Officer, and we're going to learn a bit about who Nanoform are and what they're talking to visitors about here at the show. So Christian, good morning, how are you?
Good morning, Rizwan. Lovely to meet you. Yeah, very well, thank you.
Well, it's great to see you. I mean, how's the first day been of the show? So we're into day 2 now, so how's it been so far?
It's been super. Yeah, we had a lot of pre-arranged meetings, which I guess were quite surprised about, given the whole COVID experience, and this has been the first major trade show that we've exhibited at since lockdown. But it's been a great event, and we've had a lot of booth traffic as well, so can't really complain.
Brilliant, great to hear that. So let's start with the first question, which is, for viewers who are not familiar with Nanoform, would you mind giving us a quick overview of the business?
Of course. So Nanoform are a nanoparticle medicine enabling company. We have technologies both for small molecules and for biologics. We make nanoparticles of the drug substance, either as the pure API, or in the case of biologics, they can also be co-formulated particles in the nano range. So what we're looking to address are the issues around solubility and bioavailability on the small molecule side, and also opening up opportunities for drug delivery, innovative ways to deliver drugs for patients. And then on the biologic side, it's really drug delivery focused. How can we take an IV infusion to a subcutaneous injection? How can we take a sub-Q product to an oral product in the protein and peptide space? So that's Nanoform. We have GMP capabilities, and we're looking to support the industry to develop better medicines for patients.
Brilliant. Now, the last time you and I actually met face to face, and in fact the first time we ever met, was at the DDL Summit in Edinburgh. That was in December 2019. Now, a lot has happened since then, obviously with the pandemic as well. And I know you as a business have been very active and very busy with lots of things going on. So can you give viewers a quick update on what's been happening at Nanoform since December 2019?
Wow, how long have we got, Rizwan? It's been a hugely busy period in the last year. Despite COVID, we've achieved a lot. I think probably our most notable achievement in 2020 was our IPO. We went public as a company. We did that in June. Despite everything, the market still believed in the technology that Nanoform has to sort of help address some of the global challenges around healthcare. And we did a successful IPO then. We listed on both Helsinki and Stockholm markets on the Nasdaq, on the First North Premier market. Raised close to 90 million euros through that process, and then a further 40 million early this year to support our biologics program. And that was on the financial side. And then, when we think about the growth of the personnel, 3 years ago we were 20 people. Now we're 120 people, over that, from I think over 20 countries, and at least a third of our staff have PhDs. So we're really attracting talent to Finland, to Helsinki, and globally. Our commercial team has grown and expanded significantly, with presence in the US, on all areas of the US, and a growing commercial team in Europe too. So we're here to support our partners, be closer, more connected to them. And I guess that's evidenced by some of the relationships that we've established. So this year we did partnerships and collaborations with Aprecia Pharmaceuticals with their oral dosage form. We also partnered and collaborated with Celanese to look at their EVA polymer technology and how novel applications of nanoparticles could be beneficial when you have this Ken and Barbie like mix or marriage with technologies, and 1 + 1 hopefully equals 3. So we're looking to innovate in that space, and I think when we think about other launches that we've had this year, we launched our AI platform. AI is obviously a very hot topic at the moment, but it really adds value when we start to think about increasing the possibilities and probabilities for our partners. So looking at trying to identify the quick wins where the technology can be best applied to support our partners' development programs. So we use a StarMap platform, sparse data AI platform, to help our partners pick the winners early, to increase the chances of success for their products, and then to nanoform them and to create the best possible formulation for their product. So then, other notable achievements, we did our first clinical study, a phase 1 study with Quotient Sciences. In order to do this, we had to have a GMP equipment, we had to be audited by the Finnish Medicines Agency. All of this was completed ahead of schedule, and we delivered our material to Quotient. The patients were dosed, and we had very successful results. So that was a great achievement. Then I sort of, think about the relationships that we've established with the pharma and biotech community. Nacuity, we started to look at 2 of their ophthalmic candidates for nanoparticle drug delivery. We had a recent announcement with Boehringer Ingelheim, looking at how we can help them and support them in some of their early development studies using our CESS technology. And then we've also had a notable, success with Herantis Pharma, a Finnish-based company looking at developing a CDNF molecule, which is a protein, for delivery to the brain for treatment of Parkinson's disease. And we're supporting them in making nanoparticles for intranasal drug delivery of biological particles, and also looking at other molecules with them as well. So we've had a lot of successes. We launched a new technology I've just referred to, this biological technology, that was late last year, and that's been a great success too. So it's been a hugely busy period. A lot's happened, and I've probably missed about half of the things that we've done. But it's a great fun.
Well, people can't see me smiling actually, but what you don't know, Christian, is as you were saying that, a lot of it actually tied in with what was going on the screen behind you, and we didn't plan this, so
Right.
That's quite amazing. You obviously have been really, really busy, and it sounds like it's been a very successful period, of course, during that period. Here at CPHI Milano, what are you specifically talking to visitors about?
So we're here to partner. We're here to talk about manufacturing. Ultimately, it's one thing doing the R&D and doing the early stage development, but we need to get our medicines into the hands of patients. And so we're here to try to support the development, the acceleration of our nanoformed technology into patients. And our goal in Nanoform is to touch the lives of 1 billion patients. So, a recent collaboration we just announced was with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, and ultimately we are looking to try to advance our technology as widely as possible. And this can only be achieved by partnerships, and that's what CPHI is all about. It's about creating partnerships, and we're delighted to be part of this event and to try to advance medicines for the benefit of patients.
Brilliant, Christian. Well, that's what we've got time for. So if people are here at the show, how can they find you? What is your stand?
2B42. Please feel free to drop by. We have Italian coffee available, and we'd be delighted to talk nanoparticles.
Fantastic. And if people can't make it to the booth, where else can they get more information?
Please visit the website, www.nanoform.com, or visit our LinkedIn page, and please follow us on LinkedIn. We have a growing audience. We've just crossed 10,000 followers this year, another notable achievement, and our next goal is to reach 100,000.
Well,
Thank you.
good luck with that. Well, that's all we've got time for. Christian, thank you very much for sharing your thoughts and giving us that overview. There you go, viewers. If you're here at CPHI, please check out the Nanoform booth in Hall 2. If you can't make that, check out the website. And all I can say is, Christian, have a fantastic show. It's lovely to see you.
Thank you very much.
And viewers, thank you for watching. Until next time, as always, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.